The Bollywood star Rhea Chakraborty has been arrested and held in custody for allegedly supplying drugs to her boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput. An actor whose recent suicide has been the subject of intense media scrutiny in India. Rajput, who is 34-year-old who had started in several Bollywood blockbusters, was found dead at his Mumbai apartment in June. Police confirmed he had taken his own life. The case began to balloon into a media scandal after Rajput's family registered a police complaint against Chakraborty, accusing her of abetment to suicide by harassing him and stealing his money. She strongly denied the allegations. Rajput family also disputed reports that he had suffered from depression. Public and political pressure mounted for police to further investigate the circumstances around Rajput's suicide. India's top anti-crime agency, the Central Bureau of Investigation, began examining his death in August, and the Narcotics Control Bureau, or the NCB, opened an investigation into his alleged use of cannabis. The NCB summoned Chakraborty for questioning on Sunday and then again on Monday over allegations she had procured cannabis for her boyfriend. She was arrested on Tuesday and on Wednesday morning moved to a women's jail in Mumbai. The courts will hear her application for bail on Thursday. Chakraborty's brother Showik and Rajput former house manager Samuel Miranda were also arrested by the NCB last week as part of the same investigation. Though charges have not been made public, it is reported they are all accused of supplying and financing cannabis for Rajput and being part of an active drug syndicate. Chakraborty has been the subject of intense media scrutiny and criticism since Rajput's death, with the accusations that she was a manipulative woman and a gold digger who drove him to suicide. A media scrum gathered outside her house for days, and she was mobbed as she arrived at the police station for questioning. Chakraborty approached the Supreme Court to ask for redress for an unfair media trial and had also appealed to the Home Minister, Amit Shah, that there was a fair and unbiased investigation into Rajput's death. As she arrived at the NCB office on Tuesday, Chakraborty also pointedly wore a shirt bearing the words, "Roses are red, violets are blue. Let's smash the patriarchy, me and you." Let's hear what Republic World with Pradeep Bhandari and Alicia says about the 25 Bollywood celebrities whom Rhea Chakraborty and Showik revealed.
A list of at least 20 to 25 top Bollywood celebrities. Those names are being said to be related to the drug cartel. Pradeep Bhandari is joining us. Pradeep, यहीं से कहानी शुरू होती है, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से पहले हिरासत में शौविक चक्रवर्ती को लिया गया, उसने किस तरीके से नाम लिया, अपनी बहन का नाम लिया, बाकी ड्रग पेडलर्स का नाम लिया, उनके अरेस्ट हुए, उनकी कस्टडी हुई, अब एक एक करके सारे नाम सामने आएंगे.
Well, Amita, this is an extremely important development. If you remember, I've been reiterating and we've been reiterating, but before that, this is the exact same building, the Exchange building, where this important name has been put. So the third floor where you can see Rhea and Showik have been questioned, have been examined and have been cross-interrogated. Now, this is a very important development because what I've been reiterating from time and again, that this is just not limited to the Chakravartis. The Chakravartis had a free entry pass to a lot of Bollywood parties, to a lot of A-list stars. This is why if you see, when the murder of Sushant Singh Rajput took place, hardly any A-list stars of the Bollywood people came out. So this means that the entire drug racket, which started with the small drug peddlers, whether it is Asif, whether it is Zaid, whether it is Atul, all of them had linked to Showik Chakraborty. Showik was connected to Miranda. They used to do all the work for Rhea Chakraborty, and Rhea Chakraborty used to circulate and be in touch with the entire big Bollywood circuit. This is why a lot of A-list stars were there on the dialer list of Rhea Chakraborty. So this means that the Narcotics Bureau, if you remember, the deputy director in one of his press conferences had said that we want to go after the big fishes. So this probe is going to the root of the problem, going to the root of the drug racket. And this is why, if you remember, when Gaurav Arya was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, Gaurav Arya also has links to the Chakrabortys and also has links to the entire Mumbai drug racket and also a lot of Bollywood stars. If you remember, there was a video which was circulating a few months back about a lot of A-list stars at a party, and people were speculating whether there was consumption of drugs there. So clearly the Narcotics Bureau is getting prima facie evidence which makes it believe that this entire drug racket is not limited to the Chakravartis. The root of the drug racket is limited to the Bollywood cartel, and this is why the Bollywood cartel, a lot of prominent names, so the A, B, C. There have been 3 lists which have been prepared. List A is all the A-list stars, list B are the B-list stars, and the C are the smaller of the secondary players, and thus summon will be issued in the next 10 days. So this is a very important development, and if you remember, this development establishes that why a lot of Bollywood stars, and this has been recovered from Ria's phone and Shobik's phone. So if you remember, there were 14 names of Bollywood personalities which were recovered from Shobik's phone. Ria's phone is also with the Narcotics Bureau, and both of their phones and the names, the Narcotics Bureau, Samir Wankare himself is present there. They are interrogating Ria Chakravarti and asking Ria Chakravarti about her links and dealings with the A-list stars or the B-list stars and the C-list stars. So the first time in independent India, the drug racket, the international drug racket, the national drug racket, which was connected to the who's who, will be exposed. And this is where the Narcotics Bureau is intending to do that. I want my Vijay Vivek to show you the pictures. The third window, the third building, the third floor which you can see, that is exactly where the Narcotics Bureau is questioning, and this is what Shravan and the entire team has brought to us. Back to you.
Alisha is also with us. Pradeep, stay on with us. Alisha, आपके पास आते हुए जरा बताएं अगले आने वाले 10 दिनों में क्या होने वाला है, because this will be certainly explosive. If that list of nearly 20 to 25 top Bollywood celebrities who are said to be related to this drug cartel, अगर एक एक करके नाम सामने आने लगे, सोचिए कितना बड़ा खुलासा होने वाला है आगे आने वाले दिनों में.
देखिए, बिल्कुल एनसीबी की एसआईटी टीम की ओर से खास तौर पर रिया चक्रवर्ती के उनके जहां पर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की बात करें और इसी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जहां पर उनका रोल, उनका एस्टैब्लिशमेंट जहां पर पूरा खुद एनसीबी की ओर से देखा जा रहा है. और इम्पोर्टेंटली अब ये पता चला है क्योंकि 3 दिन से लगातार रिया चक्रवर्ती और शौविक चक्रवर्ती जो कि ऑलरेडी 9 तारीख तक एनसीबी के कस्टडी में है, उसी कस्टडी के दौरान अब कई ऐसे खुलासे हुए क्योंकि इम्पोर्टेंटली रिया चक्रवर्ती और शौविक चक्रवर्ती को कहीं ना कहीं पर रिया चक्रवर्ती के फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े जो उनके रोल और एस्टैब्लिशमेंट देखा जाए और इम्पोर्टेंटली जो ड्रग कार्टेल को लेकर बात की जाए तो करीबन रिया चक्रवर्ती और शौविक चक्रवर्ती 20 से 25 टॉप बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज के नाम सामने रखे गए. यानी इस पूरे ड्रग कार्टेल में कहीं ना कहीं पर 20 से 25 टॉप बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज इन्वॉल्व है और एक डोसियर जो है वो खुद एनसीबी के ओर से बनाया जा रहा है. एनसीबी इस पूरे मामले की जहां पर जांच करेगी और करीबन आने वाले 10 दिनों के अंदर उन टॉप बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज को समन किया जा सकता है, उनसे भी क्वेश्चनिंग की जाती है. तो एक बड़ा खुलासा जहां पर एनसीबी के एसआईटी टीम के ओर से पता चल रही है जो इस पूरे मामले की जांच कर रही है और जहां पूरा ड्रग्स एंगल को देखा जाए और रिया चक्रवर्ती जो कि आज तीसरा दिन हम देख रहे लगातार 2 दिन से करीबन 6 से 8 घंटे की पूछताछ जो है वो रिया चक्रवर्ती से की जा रही थी. और रिया चक्रवर्ती जो कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जुड़ी थी, उनका क्या रोल है और उनके जो फोन्स जो डिजिटल एविडेंस
hasn't been arrested, but it seems that she is spilling the beans on the drug cartel in the Bollywood industry. How deep that rot is Riya and Showik just the tip of the iceberg, because it seems the electronic devices and phone data has also established Bollywood connections of this drug cartel, and a dossier is now being prepared by the NCB SIT. In the coming 10 days, summons will be issued to all of those names who have now come out on those Bollywood parties where drugs were allegedly consumed. Alisha, Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. This is a massive...
Thank you for watching. This is Lance J TV. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more videos.